Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying your phone supports eSIM and that your carrier issued an activation QR or SMDP plus code. This is essential because the phone needs a downloadable profile. Once done, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and the battery is above 20% so the install won't fail mid-process. You should also back up contacts and note which SIM is primary. These first steps prevent lost service and give you everything needed to add the eSIM profile immediately. You now install the profile. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, then SIMs or Mobile Network and tap Add Carrier. Scan the carrier QR code when prompted or choose Manual Input and paste the SMDP Plus server and activation code if provided. This is how the device fetches your profile securely. After the download, assign the eSIM as your data line or secondary voice line and configure roaming and network preferences, because those choices determine how calls and data are billed and which SIM. You finish by restarting the phone and testing calls, SMS, and mobile data to confirm service. If the profile appears but there's no service, toggle airplane mode, force the profile to refresh by removing and re-adding it, or rescan the QR. This often clears provisioning delays. If problems persist, contact your carrier with the SMDP Plus and activation details before a factory reset, because support can resolve network provisioning issues faster than reinstalling the OS and losing settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.